Have you ever dreamed of something so big that it scares you? Yung tipong kapag iniisip mo ang pangarap mo, naghahalo ang excitement at takot. Takot na baka hindi mo kayanin pero mas takot kang mabuhay na puno ng what if. What if I tried harder? What if I believe in myself? What if I didn't give up? Today, I stand here not as someone who already succeeded, but as someone who is still fighting, still falling, still learning, still chasing. Because every great success starts with a dream and the courage to pursue it.
Every day, I wake up with a dream in my heart. Isang pangarap na nagbibigay sa akin ng dahilan para bumangon kahit pagod na ako. Hindi ito madaling pangarap. Hindi ito pangarap na makukuha sa isang iglap. Ito ay pangarap na kailangang paghirapan, ipaglaban, at panindigan. Growing up, I slowly understood that life is a journey full of challenges. Hindi laging masaya, hindi laging panalo. Minsan, kahit gaano ka magsikap, parang kulang pa rin.
There were times when I felt invisible. Times when no one noticed my efforts. Mga araw na tinatanong ko ang sarili ko, may patutungan pa ba ang ginagawa ko? I watched others succeed while I was still struggling. Nakikita kong umaangat ang iba habang ako ay parang nasa parehong lugar pa rin. Masakit, nakakapanghina, pero doon ko natutunan ang pinakamahalagang aral. Ang bawat tao ay may sariling oras ng tagumpay. Chasing dreams is not a straight road. It's full of curves, obstacles, and setbacks. May mga pagkakataong nadapa ako. May mga pagkakataong nasugatan ang tiwala ko sa sarili ko. But even when I was down, I never stayed there. I stood up, again and again. Hindi dahil madali, kundi dahil ayokong manatiling talunan. I realized that pain is temporary but giving up lasts forever. Every struggle shaped me. Every failure taught me. Every tear strengthened me. My dreams taught me patience. They taught me discipline. They taught me to believe in myself, even when no one else did. There were nights when I studied while others were sleeping. Days when I worked while others were resting. Moments when I sacrificed comfort for progress. Because I know success requires effort. I am not chasing fame. I am not chasing perfection. I am chasing growth. I am chasing a better future. I chase my dreams because I want to become someone who never quit. Someone who turned pain into power. Someone who turned fear into fuel. I dream of a life where I can help my family, support those who supported me, and inspire others who feel like giving up. I want to be living proof that hard work beats doubt, that faith beats fear, and that persistence beats failures. There will be people who laugh at my dreams, people who say they're impossible, but I will smile because I know they don't see what I see. I see possibilities. I see hope. I see a future worth fighting for. Every small step I take today is building the big success of tomorrow.